came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor cause that's my plans, 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 plans. I'm wearing all my favorite brands, 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 brands. Give me space for both my hands, 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 hands. Yeah, yeah, cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Yeah, I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, ayo, gotta let go.
What's up? I'm the cameraman for the day. With Payong.
Okay, ito na. Napakalakas na ulan. Maliligo kami ngayon. Sige. Parang siya. Woo! David, bilis! Woo! Let's go, boys!
Yeah, boy! Oh! See that? Lagi din ba? On the part 2!
Undo ulit, part 2. Huwag naman.
Batang lagim!
Pero babalik sa akin to.
Pabalik sa
Tara guys, let's go swimming.
Let's go swimming!
Kaibigan namin nandito na, si Mr. Orange Man. Marami na ako nakalaban sa mga teleserye. Mamalaki, mamalakas. Pero ito yung pinakamalakas. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Papakilala ko sa inyo. JR. Let's go! Ayan! Meron siya kasamang sidekick! Meron siya kasamang sidekick na maliit! Oh no!
Natanggal yung shorts ko!
Meron sila kang sekreto para mapigilan ko siya. Ito na, tingnan mo! JR! JR!
Wag!
JR! JR! Sit! Sit! Yeah!
You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. My heart stops when you look at me. Just one touch. Now baby, I believe this is real. So take a chance and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back.
Yeah, boy!
Pero, ano, ang pangalan ng sidekick niya ay si napakakulit. Tingnan mo siya, tingnan mo. I-observe mo. Parang daga. Pero, ang cute niya. Look, look, look. Howie! Oh! Parang siyang rabbit. Pangalan niya ay si Pawi.
Si Pawi.
Napagod ako. Hindi lahat ng ito sasabihin ko sa inyo. Hindi lahat ng tao kaya makipag-wrestling sa isang silver. Grabe ko! Grabe ko! Grabe ko! Uy!
Pawi!
It's a big boy. There, sit. Sit. Ah! Malaway siya.
Malaway siya.
Lalawa ka mo si JR. Hugas ako ng kamay, tinuha. Hindi ko alam kung nanonotice nyo. Ex-ped lang nandito sa bahay ko. Wala na si ex-convict. Si ex-convict ay si Hammer. Sayang, bad trip naman kasi dream car ko pa naman. Pero
Wala
it's
eh.
not for me, it's not for me.
I came to move, move, move. Get out the way of me, my crew. I'm in the club, so I'ma do. Just
Tulad nga nagsabi ko, hindi lahat ng tao kaya makipag-wrestling sa isang saber run. Tulad dito. Jagger! Come here! Yeah! Yeah, come on, boy! Come on!